Hi guys, it's Fernando. I'm gonna play with my cousin.
Hi.
And my cousin is this person.
Hi. Okay.
Love Leslie. Okay, this is I'm gonna play with her.
Wait, show me where. Oh, do I go buy a bee over here?
No, you buy bees over here.
Wait. Show me.
Where should
But
be an arrow over here?
I
Over here, over here,
Oh,
over
okay.
here.
So I need to go that way. Nah, I'm fine.
Oh yeah, I forgot. How much honey do you need? 1,000?
Okay, can you?
Am I saying this right? Wait a minute.
I'm all the way in the bottom. I have 0. Don't judge me, okay?
Oh yeah, you should talk to this Barbie. Wait a minute, you're supposed to go right here first.
Oh, I don't know.
Blah 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 blah. I don't care. You
I live
receive royal jelly, a lot of tickets, treats, the honey date event. But
Lady hugs. Ha.
you're getting a bunch of honey. I'm giving you a bunch of honey. Look how much honey I'm giving you.
But not more than you.
1,000.
You did? OMG.
You have enough to buy this.
Just one bee though. I never had a bee before. Okay, this is like my first time playing this, so
You act sassy.
on a video, yeah, that's what you get. Fed, look.
Yeah, but it's under. I'm not
Kitty,
letting.
look.
Oh, you got a bee that nobody got. Basically, you're gonna get a newbie.
What kind of
Can
bee am
you
I gonna
stop
get?
this? Okay, there you go. Stop basically. You're gonna get a different bee. You got a shocked bee. It's an epic.
Okay.
You got
Wait, but
a
I
lot
wanna
of
put it
bees.
on here. How am I supposed to? I only have 2 bees?
Yeah,
Okay, come on,
and
bees.
this is the first person I saw with good bees. Barely
Wait, I
started.
have good bees?
Yeah, the people who usually start get this bee right here. The basic bee.
Oh, come
You
on, let's
just
go.
got a epic and a rare.
Ooh, okay, let's go. Let's go find the. Let's go.
Let's go over here. Wait, wanna find the secret?
Sure.
Come over here,
Wait. I don't know where you are.
up here,
Okay.
and then
Right here.
over here.
I'm not dumb. No.
It's a obby.
I
It's a
can't.
secret, guys.
I can't see. I can't see because of the chatting room.
Oh, you barely make that one.
I touched the lava.
What are you? Wait, you're supposed to go over here.
I did not know.
And then you jump over here, over here, over here. Oh. I just lost 300 something pollen.
You did?
Yeah, 387,000. Correct me.
Do I have any pollen?
You have 0. But over
Oh.
here, you're gonna get a royal jelly.
Wait, where are you again?
Actually, wanna get some pollen?
Here.
I need a quest.
I want to be faster.
Over here, guys. Over here.
Whee!
Over here, Leslie.
I don't know where you are.
Over here. I'm gonna put something so you would want to go here.
I just went there.
You know what this is?
What?
When it reaches to 0, you get a lot of stuff.
Oh, you did that just
Pineapple, blueberries, strawberries.
You did that for me?
Yes. So you could
He's
start
not
out.
my brother, okay? He's my uncle.
Yeah, weird family tree.
Yeah, and I live with him.
Look, now people's gonna come here.
Why?
Get out of here.
Can I
Who
go
would
in the middle? Do I
invited
go in the
you?
middle?
No, you don't have to go in the middle. No one invited you. Get out of here. Don't take credit. Get out of here. I hate those people when you plant a sprout. They just come in here. When there's zero, they just come and steal the token. I haven't done it yet.
Wait.
But when there's like a legendary sprout, I mean the epic sprout, I would like it, but if it's a common one, get all the stuff you could get.
Wait. Oh, I was doing something. Jeez. Honey.
Everything, where are you?
I'm getting treats. I'm getting honey.
Yeah, literally,
La, la,
where
la,
are you?
la. Honey everywhere.
Get the blueberry, right there.
Blueberry. Hi. I got the blueberry before I fainted.
Okay, now check, I'm gonna take your items. Let's see what you got. You got
10 tickets.
27 treats and 1 blueberry.
Wait, can I
And
open
some
my
tickets.
can I open my present?
You can't open your present. You could give it, wait, give the present to this bear over here. Give it to this guy.
I can't go next to you because you know how
Yeah, because
I only
you
can
don't
walk.
have this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give the present to this guy. He's gonna give you a bunch of honey. Like 200 and something thousand.
Okay. Okay. Tap. Hello there.
You just gifted to give him a present.
Oh,
You can't do it
I love you.
for me?
Lacy hugs.
Hey, it's me, Fernando. Hey, stop that. You have a lot of honey.
I do. How much do I have?
You have 4,000.
Bet I'm following you. Good. It's good. Do I have to? Mm.
Don't
Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I cannot see. Okay. Mm. Hi.
Look, you're better. Look at me.
Wee.
You turned better.
Okay. I could have just saved up all my pollen or something. Ooh, I have 200 pollen. That's good. Where are you going?
Just skipped a lot of the video.
Did?
Okay,
Why, Fed?
go over here.
Why did you skip some of the video?
Go over here.
Why?
Go over here.
I can't see.
I'm behind you.
Can I kill it? Where are you? Okay, come on.
Follow me.
I can't go fast.
Go to the black bear.
Okay. It might take it forever.
No.
Black bear. Okay.
Did he
I
give you
got 200
prizes?
honey.
Come, follow me. You know over here.
Wait. Can you please stop? Okay, come on, let's go.
When you go over here, it should say tap. So tap.
Yes, tap. Stop making honeys. To make honey,
I wish you
pollen
could
from
give.
flower.
Imagine you could give honey.
Oh, that would be good. It's much easier. Come on, Fred. I have.
Stinger.
Come on.
What?
Are you doing it too?
I want this right there.
Fred, what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
With what?
Fred, can we go get some like treats and blueberries or something? Somewhere?
Wait, go to the shop. You could buy stuff, I think. Let me see. You could buy something to make you faster. Did you know that?
No. I didn't want that anyways. I wanted to save up for something. But okay. You just
You
wasted
could get
only.
you could get this.
Okay, bye. Is it
Well, you need 3 seeds and 3 blueberry and 4,400 honeyberry.
do I have enough for it? No.
No, but you could buy scissors,
Yeah, but I really wasted my thing on that.
which makes you more honey.
Okay.
I mean pollen.
I bought it.
Now let's go.
How do I leave? Tap to leave. Yeah. Okay.
Now let's go.
Scissors! I don't need my scissors.
Let's talk to the black bear again.
Black bear? I'm not fast enough. That's why you're so fast?
About what?
Why are you so fast?
Because I have these boots and because my parachute.
Let's take it to a black bear.
Well, we should end the video here. To spend quality time with my cousin. So I could show you how to get more bees and make another video
Okay.
about bee swarm.
Bye guys. Make sure
Bye guys.
to subscribe to this channel. Put the notifications on. Bye.
See ya. Bye.